So in this video, I'm just gonna show how I look through the messages and do some exception checking, and then after that I'll show the deployment stuff and triggers again. So um, so once I get my in the previous video, I showed how to get the threads from the gmail.app, so my emails, and then so this is my thread loop. So I'm looping through my thread to get the messages, and then from the messages I will get my message plain body. So this message plain body will have a lot of variations depending on what my order form is like. So there are many different strings that can occur. So I need to do some exception checking to make sure that none of the like splitting of stuff or indexing that I do is broken. Okay, so firstly is this number of courses. So this is just the to find the number of courses that I have uh, in my order. So they can be one, they can be two, they can be three. So in order to do this, why I minus -2 from my course string dot length is if we go back up here. First of all, we have this extract content from body. So extract content, if we go to my extract content function, you can see here. So so I am extracting the content where my where the main content of my order is. So there's some stuff on top and some stuff below that I don't need, so I just extract out. So first I find the body of the first line that I need, which is this item cost code subtotal. So I find the index of this, and then after that I find the index of the word discount, and because some of my orders have a word discount inside. But if it cannot find the word discount, it will go to -1 index. So if there is no discount word inside for -1, I will find the grand total word instead. So what this gives me is a the order information itself only, so that I don't have to have so many indexing. And then after that I just return the content section here. So next we go to the cost string. So we split by sign. So what splitting by sign does is if we go down to the split by sign function, so split by sign is just splitting the content using the dollar sign, because that is what exists in every of my orders. So I can use this uh, as like a indicator of where uh, to split my content. So once I have my content split, I can -2, because there are some stuff below my after I split as well, because the dollar signs exist down there as well, but then I don't need the information, so I just -2 to to get my actual to condense my information even more, so that when I loop it's easier. So now that we have all this, we can loop through the number of courses. So you can see here course content equals to course k. So if 0 1 2 would mean 3 courses, so 0 and 1 would mean 2 courses. 0 only, indexing for 0 only would mean 1 course. So from here I will do my split again. So this time I'm splitting by the asterisk, because that is how the string is. So after I split by asterisk, I can get my extract. So in each of my extract functions, so I have extract course title, extract course time, extract mode of training, and then extract course date. So in each of these additional functions, I am also doing some indexing and some exception checking. So for example, in my extract mode of training, I take in split content. So my order information is here, as well as a flag, a hydroponic flag. So if the hydroponic flag is true, I return NA, because there's special information for the hydroponics course that we should not put here. So I'll put it in as NA first, and then I return split content, and then extract cost date is the same, so hydroponics flag, and then extract cost time, same hydroponics flag. And then and then I have some additional exception checking here as well. So for example, if this cost time includes evening, so if the cost time has a word evening inside, uh, And if it has NICF and WSQ, it will be 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. If not, it will be 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And then as well as some of the course titles have special timings, so I am putting the exceptions here for these course titles, and then WSQ and then ICF as well. And yes, that's all for the exception checking. So the function will look through all this and then get the number of orders and then add the event to the calendar. So last time I showed how to add the trigger. You can see here, we can see the information that is ran from last time. So last run, version, event, the function, and then the error rate. So you can see there's still some errors with the app script that I have to fix, but we can see the triggers that happen in here called executions. For the executions, you can see here all the information. Then we can see the log as well. So it is useful to add in logs so that we can uh, see the logs in the execution. Looks like some of these have no logs. Maybe find the longer one. Okay, it looks like the logs are not working, but yes, usually you should be able to see the logs here. For this, okay, so it ran for 9 seconds, and then we can see the logs for my thing here, so we can see adding the event. Okay, that is all.